Hello folks, welcome back in another video. In the last video we have unboxed this package in which we had this beautiful Rolf hoodie alongside with these t-shirts, New Balances and also the Birkenstocks. Now is the time to unbox this another package. So the whole thing was 30 kilograms and it took like 12 days to get arrived to me by DHL, and I didn't pay any custom fees or anything. Also, if you haven't saw the last video, please check this thing out. And just like always, you have all the links down in the description. Okay, so let's see how it all looks like. Here we've got a letter from the CNFans, thank you for ordering. And just like in the last video, you can get 10% off with thanks10 coupon code. Alright, so let's begin unboxing. Maybe let's start with this one. In here we've got the Lacoste hoodie. So as you can see, this is how it all looks like. We've got a Lacoste logo in here. The hood is looking quite nice. It's a bit of a thicker compared to the Ralph Lauren hoodie, but other than that, it looks all nice. Let's see how the zipper works. So the zipper is looking quite nice. It does move quite well without any friction. And here we've got the labels. Let's take a look at the labels. So it says Lacoste Classic Fit, and this one is the US M size. Let's see if it's true to the size and it fits just like the M hoodie would fit. Also, this is how the labels look like. They're in Chinese. Okay, so this is how the hoodie looks on me. As you can tell, this one is much bigger compared to the M of the Ralph hoodie we unboxed previously in the last video. And you can see how this hoodie looks like. The hood looks quite nice. I like the hood. And yeah, the material is looking quite okay, quite comfortable, and the zipper is also nice. This is how the logo presents. Honestly, a great purchase. Continuing, here we also have, as usual, a lot of Birkenstocks. I really like Birkenstocks, so I decided to get a bunch of them for my whole family. So this time it's a bit different one. It's the London version of Birkenstocks, and as you can see, this one is a merged version here. And yeah, it all looks quite nice. The Londons look very cool. Inside you've got such a sole in here, and yeah, honestly they look fine. This is how the sole looks like. You have the links, all the products, you have the links down in the description, so no worries, you can get everything you want to from this video. Continuing, lovely people, here we also have a beautiful New Balances, so let's take a look at them. This one is the 9060 size 39.5, so let's take a look at them. This one is the color called Sea Salt. These shoes look quite nice. I love the materials they're made from. This is some sort of a suede with the glossy effect here, reflection here on the logo, and they're all beautiful. Like, I love the colors, I love how they all blend in together. You've got obviously the QR code on the tongue here alongside with the size and everything. So yeah, based on that, I mean, the shoes look absolutely gorgeous, and you also have the links down in the description. Let's wear them now, let's see how they fit. Okay people, so this is how the Sea Salt New Balances 90-60%. I absolutely love this color. Like, take a look at this. It's all looking quite nice, to be honest with you. And yeah, the design is okay. The material quality is also fine. And these are selling for like 25 bucks. So considering the price, I'm quite suspicious if you can find anything else better than that. This one is such a great deal. Thank you. Next up here we also have a lot of Birkenstocks, so maybe let me show them all to you and once and for good, so you can just see everything. Oh my god, this is crazy. So in here we have the beautiful green Birkenstocks Bostons. I absolutely love this color. It is looking so nice, so beautiful. Obviously this is metal, this is real natural cork, and the sole is also looking quite okay. So yeah, I absolutely love the color, it all looks nice. Okay, next up here we also have Boston's in taupe color, so this is the regular one. We have seen them in the previous video. They're also $23, so the same price for all the shoes. And this one is also the Boston taupe color. I'm not going to bore you with that, this is exactly the same shoe. Very good one actually. You have the links in the description. So this time we have a little bit different shoe, because we have the Nike ZoomX Vaporfly in the size 26.5 centimeters, so it's size 42. This is how they present. These ones are the running shoes, you can run in them, and let's just see how they look like, oh my god, they're super light. Compared to the previous ones, they are super light. The design is obviously futuristic. You've got this text saying 20,126/23, and yeah, this is how they all present. We've got such a beautiful tongue. This one is very thin. They're all made from a special material like the other Vaporflies are made from. And let's just take this thing off. Let's see how the sole looks like inside. So the sole looks like this, and this material is super thin. These are probably the lightest shoes I've ever had in my hands. They're amazing. And this is how the left shoe looks like. This one is also looking very futuristic. This thing on the back, the heel, is just very well straightened up and secured, so there are no problems when it comes to the injuries. I'm not so sure if you can get any injury in such shoes. This whole material here is breathable. You can really just take the advantage of this, and your feet won't just get soaked in sweat so easily. In here on the sole, you also have this hole. The sole is very sturdy, as you can tell. Let's wear them. I'm so hyped about these shoes. Guys, I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love with them. I don't know what to say about these shoes. These are like 100% the same to the Vaporflies you can see. You can get in the store. They're super light, and basically I just want to wear them 100% of the time, and I want to run in them, like for real. The sole is amazing, the grip is amazing, the whole structure, the way my whole heel is structured and supported is just insane. And yeah, like for around 40 bucks, I doubt you can get anything better. Thank you. Okay, and the last two boxes, the last two pairs of shoes. Here, this time we have New Balances, so let's begin unboxing these two. So the first one is the 9060 as well, same in a size 39.5. This one is the same sea salt color that you have seen previously. So I'm not going to bore you with this. Let's proceed to the next one, the last one. This one is also the 9060, but in a size 39.5, so the same, but in different color. And lastly, we have these a bit of a pink colored New Balances 9060, which are quite similar to the sea sole, but as you can see, the N logo is different, and also the size. Suede color is it's a bit more of a pink one, you know? So it's not the same, it's a bit different, but the shoes are quite similar. So yeah, great shoes. Let's wear them, let's see how they fit. Okay, so this time here we have the 9060 New Balances, but yeah, this one is a more of a pink color. So honestly, the shoes are absolutely insanely good looking, just like the previous ones. I like this 9060 model, it's also a very nice shoe. So yeah, the design is absolutely amazing, highly recommended. Okay people, and here we got it, the beautiful 30 kilograms haul from the CNFans. This is how it all is looking. We've got beautiful Lacoste t-shirts in both navy and white color. And then we have the Ralph Lauren hoodie in a gray color. Continuing another gray hoodie, but this time from Lacoste. A bunch of different Birkenstocks. Beautiful collection. A bit of 9060 New Balances, also in a lot of colors. They look absolutely fine. And some more here. And lastly, creme de la creme. Here we have our Nikes. These Nikes are absolutely amazing. I love how they fit. I love how they feel on my feet. And yeah, if you are going to get the running shoes from the CNFans, you gotta get these. Say what you wanna say, but yeah, they're amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously, all the links to these products are available in the description. And peace out, people. Peace out.